Welcome to Vital Longevity. Most people think vitamin C is just for immunity. But what if I told you it's also your brain booster, stress reliever, and even a secret weapon for muscle recovery? Stick around, you're about to rethink everything you knew about this powerhouse vitamin. Brain Boost Vitamin C helps synthesize important neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, the same chemicals that regulate mood, motivation, and memory. Without enough of it, you may feel mentally foggy or even anxious. In fact, your brain holds some of the highest concentrations of vitamin C in the entire body. It's not just about being smart, it's about feeling mentally balanced and emotionally resilient. Vitamin C is also a natural energy enhancer. If you're constantly feeling tired or sluggish, vitamin C might be your silent hero. It helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods, a critical factor in transporting oxygen throughout your body. When your cells get more oxygen, your body feels more alive and alert. Plus, it aids in energy-producing reactions at the cellular level. So if coffee's not doing it anymore, try upping your vitamin C game. Next up, it's also a skin savior. Vitamin C doesn't just make your skin look good, it helps it function better. It's essential for collagen synthesis, which is what keeps skin firm and wrinkle-resistant. It also protects against UV-induced damage and may lighten hyperpigmentation by inhibiting melanin production. That's why it's in so many high-end skincare products. But taking it internally supercharges those effects from the inside out. Vitamin C is also a heart health hero. Vitamin C supports endothelial function. That's the thin layer of cells lining your blood vessels. This improves circulation and lowers the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. It also helps reduce inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic illnesses. And as an antioxidant, it combats the oxidative stress that can damage heart tissue over time. In short, your heart loves vitamin C. Next up, it's also a cortisol crusher. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that's helpful short-term, but harmful if it stays elevated. Studies show that vitamin C helps blunt the body's cortisol response to physical and emotional stress. That means fewer mood swings, less anxiety, and better long-term health. Think of vitamin C as your internal stress shield, calming you from the inside. Did you know it's also a DOMS fighter? DOMS, or delayed onset muscle soreness, hits hard after a workout. But vitamin C can help reduce that soreness by decreasing inflammation and aiding in tissue repair. It also scavenges free radicals generated during exercise that contribute to muscle damage. Athletes often combine it with other nutrients like magnesium or BCAAs for optimal recovery. It's like a post-workout repair tool you don't want to skip. Another one most people do not know is it is an anti-aging ally. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants we have. It neutralizes free radicals that age our cells, including skin cells, brain cells, and even your DNA. Long-term use has been linked to healthier aging, fewer wrinkles, and improved immune function over time. It's not just about looking young, it's about keeping your body operating at its best, decade after decade. Pro tip, our personal favorite? LivOn Lab's Liposomal Vitamin C. It bypasses digestion and delivers nutrients straight to your cells. You'll actually feel the difference. From your brain to your biceps to your skin, vitamin C does way more than fight colds. It supports nearly every system in your body, and it's time we all gave it more credit. Drop A if you're already taking vitamin C and comment below if you learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a health glow up.